Hi everyone, and welcome to today's walkthrough of the MapX platform. Today we're going to have a look at the environmental monitoring capacities of MapX. We're going to show you how MapX can be used to store environmental baseline data and actually track how that data and how the environmental situation at specific sites changes over time. I'm going to show you an example from Nigeria where we've been working to collect environmental information. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. There's the overall country of Nigeria, and our sampling area is located down here. I can show you, for example, here are some of the boundaries of the local governorates, and here are all of the sites that we've been working in to collect environmental information. Now we've uploaded some of that data into MapX. I'll click on those points now. And the first thing you can see is that MapX has the ability to conduct thresholding. So it can actually show you, just through the coloring of the points, which sites are within a specific limit and which sites exceed a specific limit. So the red obviously exceed and the green are within. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these points, and you can see here's the data point, here's the environmental soil sample we took. This is the level, it's above 30,000. And the actual intervention limit is around 5,000, so it's 25,000 higher than it should be. And here's the specific site, and you can see all of the information, the sampling detail, and then we've included a specific fact sheet for the site, so if you want even more information you can drill down and receive even more data. For example, you can see some of the recommendations that should be implemented to protect the environment and protect human health from the specific site. You can look to see what kind of infrastructure is at the site. You can actually see the sampling data. Again, this red is the threshold. And you can go and see further aerial shots and various satellite images and boundaries and analysis. So this really gives you the ability to have multiple levels of detail. First the thresholding detail, then a summary of the information, then the actual sampling information below. Of course, similar detail exists for the green sites. You can see here, this is the sample that we collected, and here's the intervention limit. And again, you can see all the information and access similar kinds of fact sheets. So what we're hoping over time is that as the cleanup program in this particular area goes ahead, we can actually monitor and watch how the cleanup is proceeding at each site, and hopefully watch a number of the red sites turn green over time and really be able to visualize and monitor that whole process with the MapX platform. So that's just an example, a very quick example of the environmental monitoring capacity. Now, where it gets really interesting is if you're a local community, for example, and you only care about one specific site. We have a fantastic tool inside MapX which allows you to define one single site to receive information on. I'm going to go ahead and open our toolbox. And you can see here the function called Polygon of Interest. So this allows any user, whether it's a local community, a local authority, or a company, to go ahead and define one specific area that they want to monitor, like this. You can select the specific information you want to monitor, so let's say it's the cleanup of that specific site, and you can have that information then sent to your email and over time to your telephone. And basically what this means is that every single time a new piece of data is entered into the MapX system within this polygon, that person will receive an updated information and an alert that new information is added, and that he or she should check his email or SMS to look inside what's actually changed. So that is a hugely powerful feature. It's been a request from different users, and we're very happy to be providing that to our user community. So those are the two features I wanted to walk through in this tutorial today. Thanks again for watching. If you have any feedback on the MapX platform, we'd be happy to receive it. Thanks again.